I wonder if Tamisolo was inspired by the soft, swirling rhythm of movement, like a dancer's twirl or fabric catching the breeze. If you love tangles that feel organic and graceful, you're going to love this one. Hi there, I'm Melanie from Hobbi 101. Today, we're exploring Tamisolo, a beautifully twisty Zentangle pattern created by CZT Hanny Waldburger. It looks intricate, but it's beginner-friendly and perfect for adding a calm, elegant movement to your tangles. So grab your tile or sketchbook and let's get into it. I know organic tangles like Tamisolo can feel intimidating at first. You might be thinking, where do I even start? How do I keep the curves consistent? This is something a lot of beginner tanglers struggle with, especially when you want your design to feel balanced and flowing. But the truth is, you don't need perfection. You just need patience, rhythm, and a little bit of confidence with your pen. And that's exactly what we're going to build today, together. Let's begin by drawing a spiral that then gets pulled down and curved in towards the bottom of the curved line. Now, echo that shape along that inner curve and follow that curve to end at a point at the top and then come back down, echoing the inner curve. Let's try it again. Now let's draw another pod, this time changing the angle a bit, or you can also face it a different direction. Notice how each form leans into the other. Tamisolo has a flowing ribbon-like quality. Keep your strokes light and intentional. There's no rush. Here's a tip. Let your hand flow. Draw slowly. Breathe deeply. Try changing the size of your Tamisolos as you go. Some can be large and dramatic, others small and tucked into tight spaces. That's part of the fun. Each pod grows in its own direction. If your curves feel stiff, try rotating your towel to match your natural hand movement. And don't worry about symmetry. This pattern loves imperfection. Now let's bring it to life with shading. I'm adding graphite at the pointy tops. You can also add shading where the pods overlap to create that beautiful layered effect. A little blending with our blending stump or tortillon softens it all together. See how it pops? If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and tell me about your version of Tamisolo in the comments. Or even better, use hashtag Hobbi101Tangle. I'd love to see what you've made. Let me know which tangle you want me to try next. And that's your Tamisolo, a graceful flowing tangle that's relaxing to draw and beautiful to look at. If yours turned out a little different, even better. That's what makes Zentangle so magical. Each version is uniquely yours. Thanks so much for drawing with me today. What other tangles do you think pair beautifully with Tamisolo? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to try them out. And if you enjoyed this calm moment, give it a like and share it with someone who could use a creative break.
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.